Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. This is a continuation of building my lift garage. Right now I got my boards up. I got the Mustang out of here. And now we're gonna put 2 inches of crushed stone on the floor here. I'm gonna prep it to put a concrete floor in, so that I can install my 2-post lift. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is where I'm at. I wasn't able to get it completely done, but I need one more trailer full and it should be good. I got to get back here. I just pulled the boards out of here. I got to lift this about 6 inches just to start. So I got to get the bigger gravel in down here and then finish up getting about 2 inches. 2 inches of gravel should be good. As you can see, I was just spreading what I could, so I got about an inch here, vice 2 inches over here, and then that's gonna, with 6 inches of concrete added, I'm basically lifting the floor about 8 inches. So that's still gonna leave me 11.5 feet of lift space here, and basically you're only going as high as the lift rails are going to let you go anyway. As I'm going to get the top, I'm going to get the ones with the top stop, so when the roof hits it, it'll shut it off immediately, so I don't have to worry about crashing into the roof. Also, the fact that it leaves your floor space wide open to do what you need to do. So there we go. Hey, Dan here. Welcome to my vlog. It's a continuation of building my lift garage. Well, today I'm putting the drip edge up here across the top, and like I showed you in yesterday's video here, you got these seals. This is for this because you got a flat edge here, and you got a flat edge here. And then these go right up under here, and then when you screw it down, it seals it. As you can see, I've gone to that far. I got a little on the end here. You got these little indentions here that slides in and locks in. And of course, the ones I showed you yesterday. Get in there. All right. That. I'll get the bolt back up. Now, let's see that. Slide it back in there. What do you do? Screw it down already? Yeah. And that'll lock right underneath. All the way across. It's freaking 90 degrees out. I'm not enjoying this. Got it. Good job there. Alright, that works. Alright, I push it in just a little bit. Far enough in there. Keep the bees out. Alright, and then the one I showed you yesterday goes the opposite direction and goes under that drip. That drip piece there. And that'll keep all the, you get wide gaps here, you're sitting on top. Right across the top of that. That's where we're at. Alright, that's where I'm at. And believe it, it's warm out here. Okay, this is where we're at. I think the only thing I want to do here is I'm going to get some matching paint and paint that riser right there to match the other one. And I got to get some brown anyway, regular brown, not the dark brown that I'm using for the trim, and paint that, make it all the same color. That was a first thought when I got it in, because the metal, I got excited because I was able to get the metal cheap, but cheap just wasn't as the way I needed to go. So everything's pretty trimmed out. I'm looking good up there. I got my drip trim out here on this side, so looking good. So pretty much my face my face of my garage is almost done. And I got some touch-up things I got to do on the back side, but other than that, I think I'm about there. I need to do the doors, and that'll finish the external part. Next thing is to get the floor ready to concrete. Hey, Dana, welcome to my blog. And this is a continuation of getting my lift garage completed. Now I'm working on getting the floor concreted. And what I've done is, over the past since I've been doing it, I just kept adding gravel, and I'm finally getting it leveled. I've got my sides up. I'm using furling pieces, and I'm going to get this approximately 4 inches thick. Right now it's like 4.5 with these pieces across here. Now I've set myself up with a 12-foot piece of 2x4 to go across, and they sit on that. And then what I did is I took some scrap wood and I added it to the 2x4 so I get my height across. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add more gravel to get it up to that height, which is going to be like 4.5 inches. And then I got to call the concrete company and tell them how many yards I want, and then they'll come in and deliver it. And I've been calling around to find somebody that will do the pull and the finishing on it. I'm going to put steel rod rebar straight up and down across here, and then I'm going to put wire mesh on top of that, so that should give it enough strength to do what I want to do. I'm getting a 4-poster, so what I'm going to do is measure and find out where the legs are going to be, and then I'm going to dig that just a little bit deeper, and then I'll be able to put it'll beef up the floor a little bit for that 4-post. I got my floor level. I got it all the right height, 4.5, almost 5 inches deep. And then I'm putting center rebar, and then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and put that rebar on top of that and make it extra stronger. So, all right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs.